All right, what's going on, everyone? It's Stephanie Adams with SOS Solutions. So listen, if you are trying to figure out if you should save money or maybe pay off your credit card, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. I should have been on the news. All right, so should you save your money or should you pay off your debt? It's up to you, honestly. It really is. It's up to you. It's your choice. But let me give you a couple of things to think about. We have been through a whole lot of stuff here in the US in the past few years. If you're watching this in 2025, go back to 2022 and do a review of history. And so to answer the question of should you save money or should you pay your credit cards, the first thing that I'm going to ask you is how financially secure are you? Okay, because if you have the ability right now in your savings account to bring down the balance of your credit card, how much of a hit will it take out of your savings account? The reason I'm asking this is if something happens right now, if you have some sort of emergency, you need 4 new tires, your refrigerator breaks, your washer and dryer doesn't work, somebody gets sick, do you have the ability to cover those emergency expenses? If you don't, I say your money needs to go into savings until you do have that ability. Now, if you want to listen to like the Dave Ramseys of the world or anybody who is deep into personal finance, they're always going to tell you you need to start with at least $1,000 in your savings account because that'll take care of the little things like the tires on the cars, you know, the car, you know, something went out, you need oil or whatever. I'm not a car person. So you have to be able to have your car so that you can get to work. You have to be able to fix your roof so that the house that you're living in is still safe. So yes, you need to have an emergency fund put away. But your ultimate goal is really to have up to 6 months in your savings account so that if something catastrophic happens to you, you're going to be okay, all right? When you're considering your credit cards, the only thing that I want you to consider is how much interest are you racking up on that card every month. We all have our credit card statements come and they say, you know, here is the minimum payment that you need to make every month. And typically we fit that into our budget. But I want you to pull a statement and check out, there is a little box at the very bottom that says how long, if you continue to make the minimum payment, how long it will take you to pay off that credit card. Guys, I have seen, if you continue to make the minimum payment on a credit card, I have seen credit card statements that say 18 years and 6 months to pay it off. Yeah, that's insane. That's a whole child's life. It's incredible. And I mean on things as little as a $3,000 card could take 18 years to pay off. And then if you add all that up, how much is the bank making off of you? But that's the story for another day. So what I would like you to do after you have built your small emergency fund is just add a little bit extra onto your credit card so that you cut the amount of interest that you're paying down. And then once you do that, don't change the minimum payment. So for example, if your minimum payment every month is $50 and you add an extra $70 to it, to your payment every month, don't change that payment. Even if the statement comes and it says, well, now your minimum payment's $35. No. You are still gonna continue to make a payment of $70 every month. Fit it into your budget. And what you're doing when you do that is you are killing the interest on that credit card. And that way you don't have to worry. Do you need to save money or should you pay off your credit card? If you want someone to take a look at what you're doing right now and you need a consultation, give us a call, 757-356-5756. I would love to dig into this with you. If not, we'll chat next time. Take care.